How to add borders in your Excel file. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open Microsoft Excel. Open your .exe file. Here in the file, select the portion in which you want to apply the border. Once you do, in the ribbon go to Home and beside Underline tab you will see Border. Click on the drop-down menu and choose any one of the border which you like. If you want the border all around your selected area, select it again, go to Border, click on the drop-down menu and choose the option of All Border. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to apply border in your Excel file. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.